Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can purchase colorful sugars in Heartopia. So basically, these are for like making the colorful cake rolls. Um so there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and indigo. There's 7 only, I think. And you are basically going to purchase them from Doris. So as you can see right now, it is snowing, raining, and basically you are going to find Doris. So she will only be here when it is raining or snowing. So here's where she is on the map, by the way. Hold on, let me stop tracking that. Here in Art Street. And raining or snowing Doris will only sell, I think, violet and indigo and blue. I think. I don't know if blue is there too. But she only sells like 20 um when it's like raining. I think when it's rainbow, she sells 40, two like different kinds, like two different colors. I still have yet to get the orange sugar, but it does like rotate every single time she appears. So whenever it's raining, whenever there's rainbow, make sure you check her out and purchase the sugars for your collection. I think it's going to rain again today at 6 p.m. and there will be a rainbow on Friday. So again, it's only going to show up. Well, she's going to only show up on rainy days, snowy days, and rainbow days. So not when there's a meteor shower. Um, I mean, she does show up like at the meteor shower too, but you cannot get sugars from that. So yeah, that is basically where you can find colorful sugars and where you can purchase it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.